How to turn off auto-update apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your device. You can adjust settings for the screen, sound, wireless connections, etc., and manage your accounts, apps, and notifications to create a personalized user experience. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Then scroll down the main list to find and tap on App Store as shown. On this page, under the Automatic Download section, turn off the App Update switch to stop apps from automatically installing new updates. Following these steps, you can easily turn off auto-update apps on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.